Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to KDE connect your phone with desktop. First, let's go through our phone. So first, go to Google Play Store into your device and select the search icon at the bottom and search bar at the top and just simply search for KDE Connect. So just simply install it. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and open it up. Once it is done downloading, tap on open. Now from here, let's go to our PC. So guys, here on our PC, first thing, go to the search bar over here and search for Microsoft Store. And now here, just simply use the search bar and search for KDE Connect. Now here, click on this one and make sure to download this as well into your PC. Now once it is downloaded, just simply open it up. And from here, you should be able to see here your device. So just simply click on it and just simply select pair over here. Now, a pop-up window will show into your phone. So go to your phone. And from here, you should be able to see pairing request. So tap on it and just simply select accept. And from here, you should be able to connect your phone and PC. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.